Now, your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Day 2 of the Vigo County Conservation and Field Days. I was out there again today from this morning into the afternoon. If you look at this picture over on the left-hand side, Julie was out for a while to help me out there. This is one of the group here. I think I had 15 different groups today. I picked a few that I could show on TV. If you want to see the rest of them, you can go to my TV Facebook page, and I've got all 15 groups there. Here's another group coming up here. We talked about storms, and we actually had the computer on live so we could show the hurricane as we were tracking it in the Gulf and talking about that with the students. And here's another one here. So again, go to my Facebook page. You'll see all of the pictures. I'll be back out there again tomorrow talking to more 5th graders from Vigo County. Always a good time. We were showing these images out there today and expecting landfall this afternoon, which we have now had landfall of the hurricane Francine across Louisiana. And of course, where does it go after that is going to be impacting us. And we've been hinting around that we think this is going to kind of suppress itself south and stay kind of south of here, and its impact not as great on us as areas south. And I'll show you that in a second. You can kind of see, though, making landfall here across Louisiana. We call this our spaghetti plots. It looks like spaghetti, but look at this. There is no doubt a change. A couple days ago, the models had it up into this area. Now stalls it out around Memphis. That's a big deal because that means the heavier rains are going to stay farther to the south, and its impact on us will be a little bit less. It is technically a Category 2 hurricane as it makes landfall. It's going to go up here, and then look, it just kind of stalls out to the south of this area, and I'll show you how that's going to impact us in a little bit. But with it being that far to the south, one, our rain chances as we get into late Friday into the weekend are more scattered, and definitely the heavier rains are going to be the farther south that you go. Here's the track of it. Right now it is over land and will continue to track northward, eventually getting up here near Memphis, and then just kind of stops and just kind of stays there for a little while. It'll bring in these bands of rain from time to time, but you'll notice the heavier ones are down to the south. So this is going to be our focus over the next couple days as we track that now that it's on land. 88 the high. It was a warm day out there. 53 was our low early this morning. No rain, of course. That continues to be the story, the lack of rainfall. We haven't gotten a drop of rain here so far in the first 11 days of the month of September. Here's what we have with the Wabash River. Terre Haute, it's pretty low, about 3.5 feet, and it is currently stationary. Here's our cyclecast for 7 o'clock this evening. Sunshine. 83 degrees. It'll be warm out there, and overnight, here's our joint water tower forecast. We take it to Linton, clear and 55 by tomorrow morning. So tonight will be very much like what we had last night. Current temps, look at that, 91 Robinson, 90 down there in the Vincennes area. So we got some hot weather. There's the tropical moisture to the south of the area, slowly lifting northward. For us, nothing going on for the time being. Here's a closer look. We don't have anything. Another clear night tonight, but that's going to change. All clear right now on the radar. So overnight, nothing going on. Tomorrow, the only thing you're going to notice tomorrow, later in the day, the clouds will start to thicken some from the south and lifting north. And then as we get into Friday morning, see this? We start to get some of the rain, but again, more so in our southern counties. Notice during the day Friday, this may not get much to the north and northeast. We may see this stay more to the south. And watch this, rainfall totals. Now, this is just going to take you out for the next 48 hours, but you can see there's going to be a sharp cutoff. We could get some decent rains in our southern counties, but look at this. Our northern counties may not see a whole lot. We're kind of thinking that's going to happen with the system as it stalls south of here. Forecast for tonight then goes like this. 55, mostly clear skies out there during the day tomorrow. More clouds later in the day. We'll call it partly cloudy, though, with the daytime high again approaching the 90-degree mark. After that, as we take you into Friday, rain chances will be increasing, especially the farther south you go. Weekend, not a washout, but maybe a few scattered showers with the system nearby. Next week, stays warm. Highs in the mid-80s the middle of next week.